Well, that's why I get the package.
This is Matt.
What do you got there, Mikey? You got a present. You must have been such a good boy this year.
Micro Rapid.
Hey, cool.
What the?
Another one is your under the chair for tape.
Peyton, your pappy wrapped this.
Oh, wow! Wow!
I think I'm gonna take that.
You want it?
You're so nice.
You want it? You can have it.
Nope, it's your gear. That's nice of you. Look, fine markers, oil pastels, colored pencils, crayons, paper clips, pencil sharpener, and an eraser.
What we got here, baby?
Your mom will be really excited about this. She'll want to color with you with it. You can color everything now, huh?
Yeah.
Listen to it.
Oh, that's three more gifts. Oh, I got one more gift.
There, yours too.
Yeah, right here. You got a bunch more.
These are Shane's.
Oh, thank you.
Here, grab it.
There's a pile out of your